Let's go. Y'all ready? Oh, they want me to start? They want me to start until they get it right?
It don't matter. I'm gonna tell you like this.
No, hold on. Let me say something real quick.
I thought that was the loudest side. Now I'm starting to think this might be the loudest side. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I don't know, that might be the loudest side over there too. Now it's how they play now. Got it? All right, let's go.
They said that Texas was dead, man. The magazine said Texas was dead, right? Trae, where you at, man? Come out here right now. Hannah, you come out here too. Come on, man, Hannah. Come on. That's your song. Hey, come on. Man, Hannah's trying to be here. Come on. Nigga, I'm real Texas. What y'all real? Can we show we got Hannah out here too, baby. Everybody throw your side up in the side real quick. Throw your H up.
Can we show the homie Luda we ain't dead? Can we show everybody across the world that H ain't dead? You know we ain't even gotta do songs, man. But you know what we gonna tell them when we get back on top? I don't need no help, my nigga. I can do that on my own. And I don't need no company, little mama. Stop bringing my sailor up. When I be down and out, nobody wanna come and kick it. Nobody until I can shine. So when my money is long, I don't need nobody to visit.
Hey! Hold on, I got one more for y'all.
What it is, homie?
Stay up with me for this. I don't want nobody to get hurt in the crowd, but fuck it, let's go.